Weather.
Good morning to you. We continue our settled week of weather. Why? Because of high pressure. It's sitting like a force field across the UK and it blocks weather fronts that are queuing up in the Atlantic for the time being. Later on this week, we see weather fronts move in, but for now it is fine and dry. And with clear skies overnight, the heat radiates into space, causing the temperatures to fall. So a chilly start, but then the sunshine warms it up nicely in the day. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. The satellite shows very little in the way of cloud. The radar, the blue, picks out some showers, but for many of us, we are starting off dry. Temperature-wise, single digits. It is chilly. You need that extra layer first thing this morning. Put sunglasses at the ready because there's blue skies taking us through the day. A little more sunshine than yesterday compared to central and eastern areas, and drier as well. We had a lot of showers in the southeast yesterday, but here it is looking largely dry. And the temperatures bounce back after a frosty start for some. 15 to 19 degrees. That is smack bang where it should be for the time of year and feeling pleasant in that sunshine. So let's see how things change as we head through the next 7 days. For the next few, we keep the high pressure. It stays fine, dry, settled. It certainly isn't that warm, though. But this is how it looks across the north of the UK. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, our temperature compared to where they should be, pretty much around average. But the nights will be chilly. Percentage chance of rainfall, largely fine and dry. Plenty of sunshine, but we have the percentage of rainfall increasing on Saturday as weather fronts look to move through just for the one day. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year, sitting around about average, so pleasant enough in that sunshine. And the percentage chance of rainfall remains low. The high pressure keeps the weather fronts at bay. It is fine and dry with that beautiful autumn sunshine. But just in time for the weekend, weather fronts battle back, bringing cloud, rain and showers. But the sunshine looks set to return as we head through to next week.
Good Morning Britain National Weather.
We are in the full swing of crisp autumn sunshine at the moment. Chilly conditions by night, beautiful sunshine by day, and for many of us, it is staying largely dry. This is the latest satellite showing barely any cloud around. The radar, the blue, just picking out a few light showers, but for many of us, it is fine and dry, but chilly. Single-digit temperatures to start in the south, a touch of frost across the north, much like we've been so far this week. A little more sunshine today compared to yesterday, especially in the south. Drier, no showers across that southeast corner, and temperatures around about average between 16 and 19 degrees.
Weather.
Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather at the moment is in a repeat cycle of chilly nights and fine weather and sunshine by day. It's because high pressure sits across us. This keeps the weather stable. It means there's very little change. Weather fronts queuing up to move in later on this week, but for the time being, it is dry and fine. And it means first thing this morning, it's chilly, but plenty of sunshine takes us through the day, a repeat of where we've been for the last few days. The latest satellite just shows a little patchy cloud around the radar, a few showers through eastern areas, but with clear skies and light winds overnight. Temperatures have fallen into single digits. We've had a frost across Scotland, but there's enough strength in that sunshine to warm it back up at least 20 degrees from our starting temperature to 15 or 16 in the north and 19 in the south. So feeling beautiful in that sunshine and drier in the southeast where we've had showers for days now. This evening and overnight, we do it all over again. It is clear, it is dry, and that means it turns chilly. And then as we head through the day tomorrow, again, it's a day of sunny spells and light winds. More sunshine tomorrow, so perhaps just dialing up the temperatures a little. 18, 19 degrees, our top temperature. Then the outlook is fine and dry for Friday, but an increased chance of seeing wet and windy weather moving from the west as we head into the weekend.
Morning Britain National Weather.
Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather is repeating itself. Chilly to start, sunshine by day. First thing, the skies are clear on our satellite. The radar just picks out a few showers, but for many of us, yet again, it is dry. Fewer showers across the southeast compared to recent days. A little more sunshine, lighter winds, and temperatures sitting 15 or 16 in the north, 20 degrees in the south, which is a little around average and feeling pleasant in the sunshine.